Hey guys, today's video is going to be bead mail. I know, bead mail. This bead mail, and I gotta show you these postage stamps. Look at these postage stamps. This came from Slovakia. Yes, it came from Slovakia. So, this is how it came in a bubble mailer. She always mails them in a bubble mailer. And this is my second order from her. I'm going to show you the first order. I didn't do a video on these. I was going to, and I just never got around to it. But I got these back. The reason I didn't do a video on it is because I ordered them in March, and it was the start of the pandemic, and it took them forever to get here. And by the time they got here, we were basically into summer, and these are spring beads. But I'm going to go ahead and show them to you. Not these spacers, but I had these spacers with these beads. And then to show you size comparison, these are Pandora Muranos. So that is on there to show you some size comparison. They are a little bit bigger than Pandora's Muranos. I'm going to take one off to show you the core, and she has changed her core. The name of her business is Invsea, and I'll leave all her information down below. You can order from her on Etsy, or you can go directly to her website, and I ordered from her website. These are cord. They're not cord all the way through, but her new ones I think are cord all the way through, and they have her brand name on them. They're very pretty. These fit a universal bracelet, not a Pandora threaded. That is the core. I'm going to try to cover up my face so you can see. And then I'll put all my goodies back together so I don't lose them, because I still have a Pandora bead floating around somewhere in this bedroom that I've lost, and I have not found it. But these were from her spring collection, and this one is a beautiful polka dot with lilac, baby blue, a sunny yellow, and a mint green. No pink. I was thinking it had pink, but it doesn't. Then this one I think is called Crocus. And as you can see, the petals start up here at the top. There's a leaf, and then there is a purple petal that come down and hug a white bead. So pretty. I wish I'd have got two of those. And then these are called sugar beads. She has these in different colors. But as you can see, they look crystallized, and they are textured, but so pretty. I was wearing these on a bracelet with these in between each bead. So pretty. I wore this during the spring, but that's why I didn't do a video on those. I'd ordered them for spring. They didn't get here till summer, so it was kind of like, nah. But I placed another order. She had a Christmas in July sale. And guys, if you want to know the sales on some of these indie brands, when I see them pop up, let me know, and I'll put them on my community board. I just put the last sale I saw, which was the Ogre Beads sale with their new bangle bracelet they came out with. Did any of y'all get that? Did any of y'all get that deal? Because it was a fantastic deal for like $100. It's $110, I think. You got the bangle, 2 stoppers, and 3 small cord beads. So that was a really good deal. And you got free shipping. So inside of all this bubble wrap, there is a box I'm trying to get to so well wrapped up. My hubby may call in the middle of this video, so if he does, we'll just pause it and I'll pick up where I left off if I can remember. So here is her business card. She does beachy ones that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. And then on the back here is her information. Invsea jewelry. Unique handmade lamp work glass jewelry. www.invsea.com. Katerina Korolova. I murder these names. Please pardon me. I apologize. Leva, Slovakia. But if you, yes, girl, I murdered those names. I apologize. So cute little white box. And Look how cute. Look how cute this packaging is. You might have already seen what's in there. You know what my favorite time of year is. You know. I do have a Facebook page that is nothing to do with this channel, but it's called Autumn Splendor. The love of all things autumn. That page is my baby. I am over 95,000 on it now. It has been there for 5 years. So if you love autumn, I'll leave that page link down below. But I saw these, and kids, I had to have them. I had to have them. Had to have them. They're tied up nicely on a little thread. Can you see what they are? They're pumpkins. And then I got little like vines to go with it. I'm going to cut them off their string, and I hope they don't go flying everywhere. I'm going to try to hold on. Because that string is strong. I'm trying to cut it. Okay. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Look at the pumpkin. Look at the pumpkin. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me put these kind of how, I don't know how I'm going to do them, but these have her old cores. I can't wait to see the new cores. These are gorgeous. So over here's the other beads. So there's the vines with the little blooms on them. And then there's the pumpkins. And I think she had three shades of pumpkins. You could do light, medium, or dark. I think I got the medium. I'd have to double check that. But it does seem like I remember she had different shades of the pumpkins that you could get. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the red on that one. This one has a little bit too. Look at the blush on that pumpkin. Look at the detail in the leaves. Oh my gosh. Her beads run around $16 American. When you go on her website, I think it's in euros. I wanna say it's in euros. But they come to about $16. I think that's right. I'd have to double check in American dollars. I think on her Etsy shop, it's in American dollars. So you can buy from either one, her Etsy shop or her direct from her website. I ordered direct from her website. It took about 2 weeks this time to get to me. She does provide tracking. I kept checking it. Nothing was showing up, and I was like, please God, not again. But I kept tracking it, and nothing would show up. And I thought, I'm not going to look for about a week. I'm just not going to look. And then finally I looked, and it said it was in my town. And I was like, it's in my town. I should have it tomorrow. These are so cute. I cannot wait to wear these on a bracelet. I got this Pandora necklace that is for open work beads. And right now I do have a Soleil bead on there. I have some beads from her coming as well. So I'll have some more bead mail for you. But guys, these are so darn cute. They are so darn cute. I cannot wait to put these on a bracelet. I can't. But I want to get them on this stick before I drop them and lose them. Get them lined up here with those and get the little stopper put back on it. But yes. Look how cute. So I have some spring ones and I have some autumn ones. She has some beautiful ones that are blue, like I said, very oceany, very sea glass looking. She has some beautiful Christmas ones, and they're very similar to this, but they are like mistletoe or ivy. I will be getting some of those when we get closer to the holidays. But yes, these are adorable. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to put this on a stinking bracelet. I really can't. I'll be wearing these like next week probably. It's not even September yet. But that is my Invsea bead haul. please go check out her website or her Etsy. I will leave all her stuff listed down below. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure you hit subscribe, big thumbs up. All of my information is listed down below too. I post bracelets almost daily, not daily, but almost daily on my Instagram. I post bracelets. I post what I'm eating on my Weight Watchers. I post Mr. Sam. I do Sundays with Sam. Sam's usually on there on Sundays. Some Sundays I might miss a Sunday, but usually it's Sundays with Sam. So you get to see Mr. Sam. You get to see what I'm eating. You get to see bracelets. You get to see all the fun stuff. If I've gone anywhere, all that's on my Instagram. And it's also on my Facebook page, Moody Girl Beauty. So, all right, guys, that's it. As always, I'll see you on the next one.